Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a numbers matching Chevelle. Beautiful silver, beautiful bucket seats, trunk floor looks great, bottom side's gorgeous, and we're gonna put it up in the air and we're gonna show you all that stuff. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna take about 100 pictures of the car. Go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com and check it out. Now come on up and we'll fire up this numbers matching 396 for you right now. So look at this beautiful Chevelle, man. The paint on it is fabulous. Those stripes are buried underneath the clear. I can't even feel them. The chrome looks good. The grille looks good. Headlight surrounds look awesome. And I tell you, you guys that know cars know silver is a tough color to spray. That metallic is really, really hard to get on there nice and even and smooth. This car looks phenomenal. The gentleman who painted this car was definitely a professional. Great looking set of the wheels on it. The doors look like they line up nice. It's nice and flush here. The line's fairly straight. This line's fairly straight and it's lined up real nice and flush here. Door handle looks good. All these moldings look like they've been replaced. The stainless up here looks good. The vinyl top's in good shape. Door operates nice and smooth. The door jamb's nicely painted. You can see, you still see the lips here where the door skin's wrapped around the frame of the door. Door panel looks good. Armrest looks good. All the handles look good there. Carpeting looks like it's new. Steering wheel's in good shape. Center console looks good. Bucket seats are looking great. That upholstery looks like it was new in the last few years, definitely. Seat belts in the rear. Package tray looks good. Headliner looks great. The shoulder belts are still there. Now take a look at the chrome there on the dash. Take a look at the lenses on the gauges and the faces on the gauges. The dash pad itself is in beautiful shape. Check out the shape of that center console there. It is beautiful. Now look down the side of this quarter panel. You can see the quality body work that was done on the car. It is straight as an arrow. The chrome on the back bumper also looks new. Again, those stripes are buried under the clear. Can't even feel them. Now what I mean by buried under the clear is they paint this car silver, then they put the black on there, then they spray a big heavy coat of clear coat on there, then they go back and sand the clear coat and polish it. So basically, you can't feel those stripes whatsoever. So when you get ready to wax the car or wash the car, you don't have to worry about wax getting in all the grooves and that. Look at that trunk. Look how nice and neat that is. You can see all the gutters here around the opening. Everything's painted up nice, looking good. Looks like the rubber was replaced. Trunk floor itself is in great shape. Back sides of the quarters look good. I always look down in there in the wheel wells. You look in the corners of the wheel wells here. Bottom side of the deck lid looks good. You always want to look at these lips too, where that skin wraps around. They're looking beautiful. You look down the side of the car. Look how nice and straight that is. Can you imagine how many hours they had blocking this thing up? Just beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. So you can bet we took the time and checked it out before we bought it. Now when it gets here to the shop, we go through the car and inspect it so we can tell you all about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Like I said, we own every car here at Vanguard. Right now we have over 225 cars in stock and we bought almost 50 cars last month. And I was involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience in the muscle car industry helping you pick out your dream car. right, 70 Chevelle time. Numbers matching, guys. You don't find these very often. I'll tell you what, this is one sweet ride right here. 396, numbers matching motor and transmission. And we do believe the rear end is correct too. I mean, this is a sweet ride right here, guys. Now, Tom can deliver this car anywhere in the world, so call him at 248-974-9513. We are professionals at delivering these babies anywhere in the world. So call him anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So give him a call anytime. If he does not answer, he will call you back. Don't you worry. Now, if you need help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We've got 3 different bankers we work with on financing. We can get you financed and we can get this dream parked in your driveway, no problem whatsoever. Now you see down here on the dash, you can see the speedo's working. It does not have a clock in it. It looks like the gas gauge is working too. The blower is blowing. The radio is radioing. And we do have a 2-pack of gauges down here. Looks like oil pressure and water temperature. And the horn's blowing on the steering wheel. Windshield wipers are working. Brakes feel good. Steering's power and it's feeling good. I tell you, you're looking beautiful. Numbers matching. 70 Chevelle, probably the most popular muscle car on the planet right now. We got a semi-truck stopping in front of us. Been doing videos today. It's like these semi-trucks are out to get me, I think. Been doing semi-truck dodge all day long. Listen to the exhaust on it too. She sounds great. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're right outside of the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport, so we're a real quick ride from the airport if you'd like to come in and visit. And we're also going to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put it up on the lift so you can see the bottom side. Then we're going to pop the hood, take a look at the numbers matching motor. Here's our building here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now stick with us because we're going to get it in the air for you right now and take a look at the bottom side. All right, we're underneath this Chevelle now, and it's nice and solid underneath. You can see the trunk floor looks good, frame looks great, exhaust system's fairly new. The drop downs look good. We got a 12-bolt rear end, which is date code correct. It looks like it's got brand new lower control arms. We got right around the 331 gear, and it is an open rear end. It does have brand new brake light lines. I almost said brake lights, but it's got brand new brake lines. And on the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Upper control arms also look like they're new. It does have the SS braces on it here, like came on all the SS cars. Frame is nice and solid. I always check the low areas in the frame. I always feel around on the back side of the rocker. Back side of the rockers are both nice and smooth. Pinch welds look good. Floorboards look original to the car, and they are nicely coated. It does have the numbers matching Turbo 400 trans in it. The floorboards up here in the front also looks good. It's got long tube headers and big tube headers, and they're jet coated. Again, low spot in the frame, always take a look at that, and it's looking good. Cross member also looks good here. Looks like the ball joints are new, top and bottom. The brakes on the front are disc. The rotors look like they're in good shape. Looks like it's got new flex lines on it. It's got a great big old sway bar on it. We do have power steering. Core support looks good. Bottom side of the motor's nicely painted. It looks like the fuel pump's brand new. Sway bar bushings look new here on the frame and out here on the control arm. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Chrome on the front bumper looks great. I mean, the car's amazing, guys. It's looking really sharp under here. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, it's got the painted SS rims on it. The trim rings are in good shape. I do see one little nick there. Center cap looks good. The paint's looking good too. Front fenders, the paint work right down to the bottom edge looks good. And I always feel around on the back side for any patchwork. All I feel is nice and smooth metal there. This fender is nice. And that rocker's beautiful. Always look at this pinch weld too. That tells the story of the car normally. Let's check the rear. Out back here, again, same good looking wheels, same paint job, center cap looks good, and again, trim ring looks good, and it's got one little nick in it too. I don't think I told you the size up front, but I believe they're the same size, 225/70 14s. And again, that rocker's looking beautiful, and look at that silver paint, she's gorgeous. Let's get under the hood and take a look at that numbers matching big block. All right, under the hood here, we've got the numbers matching 396. Now, it does have a quadrajet on it. It's a couple years newer than the car. It is very, very close. It is an automatic carburetor. It has been upgraded to a Edelbrock aluminum intake. Alternator looks like it's fairly new. The car does have power steering. It does have a brand new power booster, and it looks like a fairly new master cylinder. Looks like it's got a brand new battery in it. You can see they carried the paintwork right into here. Firewall's nice and clean. All the hoses look good. The wiring looks great. Everything about this car is gorgeous, guys. They even painted the bottom side of the hood. She is beautiful. Please call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.